Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add watermark only on the third page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add watermark only on the third page. Go to the third page, then click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go to the next page and applying the same process. Then go back the third page and go to the view menu. Select the master pages option and go to insert menu. Click the draw text box option and draw a text box to this page. Click and drag on our mouse and write the watermark text. Then select this text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size. And applying the bold effect, otherwise you can change the color. Then rotate the text box and go back the master page menu, click close master page. Then go to the first section and press shift on our keyboard to select these multiple pages and click right button on our mouse. Then select the master pages option, choose none. Then go to the last page and applying the same process. Then you can check all page and we see here available the watermark, or we insert the watermark only from the third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.